Guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to make a BurnAway cake. First, you put your edible image or a topper on or a message on the top of the cake. That your image should not be flammable. Your image should not be flammable so it doesn't burn off. Then pipe your borders around it and make it high enough. Now place your wafer paper on top of the cake and pipe around the borders to go around the edges. After piping your borders, you could add some decorations like you see me do in this video. I added some sprinkles and cherries. Now it's time for the big reveal. Here I am setting this cake on fire. Wait for it. Wow. Wait for it. I was scared at first because I wasn't sure of the outcome. But yeah, it came out pretty nice. Not as neat as the magic fire paper though, because you can see the dark charcoal, but the original fire paper just burns and disappears without a trace. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video.